Welcome to my channel. Here are the top 5 digital microscope. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Digital Microscope. The Elikliv EM4K AF Autofocus 4K Digital Microscope offers up to 2000x magnification with stunning 4K resolution, making it ideal for electronic repair, PCB inspection, and coin analysis. Its autofocus function ensures effortless clarity, while the 8-inch display delivers sharp, vibrant visuals. The 10-inch adjustable stand provides stability and flexibility for hands-free operation. With HDMI output for larger screens and user-friendly controls, it's perfect for both professionals and hobbyists seeking precision, convenience, and high-quality imaging and detailed inspection tasks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video. Number 2. Digital Microscope. The Revcow 10.1 HDMI Digital Microscope is a high-performance tool with up to 2000x magnification and a 20MP camera, delivering exceptionally sharp details. Its large 10.1-inch display provides a wide, clear view, perfect for electronics, PCB inspection, and coin collecting. The 10 adjustable LED lights ensure excellent illumination for precision work, while the HDMI output allows easy connection to external monitors. Designed for professionals and hobbyists, this microscope combines powerful magnification, superior clarity, and user-friendly operation for reliable results. Number 3. Digital Microscope. The Tomlov 9 Mark Pro HDMI Digital Microscope features a 7-inch IPS screen and up to 1200x magnification, delivering clear and vibrant visuals. With its 16MP high-resolution camera, it provides sharp details for soldering, circuit work, and coin inspection. The HDMI output allows connection to larger displays for group viewing or professional presentations. Its design supports full coin viewing, precise focusing, and stable operation. A professional-grade microscope ideal for collectors, repair technicians, and educators seeking clarity, versatility, and reliability. Number 4. Digital Microscope. The HAVE 7 Digital Microscope is a powerful inspection tool with up to 1200x zoom and a 12MP HD camera, delivering crisp, detailed images. Its 7-inch large screen provides a comfortable viewing experience, perfect for soldering, phone repair, and circuit analysis. The adjustable stand and precise focusing make it easy to work hands-free. It also supports photo and video recording for documentation or teaching. A versatile, high-quality digital microscope that combines clarity, convenience, and functionality for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 5. Digital Microscope. The 7-inch IPS Digital Coin Microscope is an excellent tool for collectors and hobbyists, offering up to 1200x magnification with a 5MP camera for sharp imaging. Its 7-inch IPS display delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, making details on coins, circuits, or small objects easy to inspect. The 8 adjustable LED lights ensure clear visibility in any lighting condition. It supports 1080p video recording, ideal for documentation or sharing. A reliable, user-friendly microscope for precision work and educational use.